Copyright disclaimer. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
With Sam this week. Michelle sent some notes about today's design sync. Andy and Adam are on their way over.
We're using AI to search through messages. What's the gate code that Andrew sent me?
The gate code that Andrew sent is 7361.
Before, I'd have to scroll through a long text chain to the last time I went to Andrew's house. Of course, you can make a phone call. Call Yanir. Hey Yanir, can you help me with this demo?
Be right there.
Thanks. Now, of course, you can also use Bluetooth headphones at any time.
Estamos casi listos para enviar la versión final.
We are almost ready to ship the final version.
Great. I can't wait. Thanks so much.
Genial. No puedo esperar. Muchas gracias.
So, what happened there is the AI auto-detected Spanish, interpreted to English, and replied back to Yanir in Spanish with my intonation. I can also force it into any language I'd like to speak or understand.
See, this technology, man. Giving all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Hashem, Yahushai, Hashem, Rakakadash. Double honors to my apostles and elders, a great millstone, and peace and salutations to the hopeful elect of Israel scattered abroad. This technology is something else, man. This is something else. The introducing this, it's like a, what is it called? It's called like an AI pen, right?
Welcome to Humane.
Let me see.
It's
called this AI pen, right?
It's a standalone device.
And I think the elders was talking about it not too long ago.
It comes in 3 colorways.
But I ran across this video.
Lunar,
I was just checking it out. I got like 5-something minutes.
There's 2 pieces, a computer and a battery booster. Now the battery booster powers a smaller battery inside the main computer, and this is how we achieve our all-day battery life.
So if you ever exhaust the booster, you just reach into your pocket or bag and hot swap it. This is a perpetual power system that allows you to use your AI pin for as long as you want.
There are no wake words, so it's not always listening or always recording. In fact, it doesn't do anything until you engage with it, and your engagement comes through your touch, voice, gesture, or the laser ink display.
It also comes with its own connectivity built right in, our own Humane network, connected by T-Mobile.
We were able to pack a lot of technology into something really small. It runs a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, and that means it's really fast, which is crucial for AI.
It's got an ultra-wide RGB camera, depth sensor, and motion sensors.
And it's got this really special speaker that creates this bubble of sound. It can be really intimate, or it can be really loud.
It has an indicator that we call the Trust Light that is built directly into the AI pin's hardware via a dedicated privacy chip.
The Trust Light indicates when its input, optical, or audio sensors are active, ensuring full transparency and data security.
The AI pin privacy chip also protects it from being exploited, which means if it's ever physically tampered with, it will require service from Humane to restore operation.
The AI pin comes with a beacon that lets you know when it has something for you, like messages from trusted contacts, or services like cars or food as they come available online in the future.
We don't do apps. Humane's OS runs AI experiences that are on device and in the cloud. The OS understands what you need and picks the right AI in the moment.
What this means is that you no longer have to search for, download, or manage apps. These AIs are streamed on demand at the speed of thought. Let's play some music. Play the song How Music...
See, this is a part of that beast system. this is a part of that, the image of the beast, you know. Now the chip, which is going to have all that stuff on it, plus tracking you. Okay, and they're going to put it underneath your skin. But this is just another step in that direction with this AI pen thing, you know. It's just another step in that direction. So it says, here's an article here. It says AI pen may replace your smartphone. Okay, so I got this video from. It says Humane, a company founded by former Apple designers and backed by Sam Altman, has shared details of its new AI-powered device that aims to create a new era for wearables. The company has shared a video on its AI pen, a small square device and battery pack that can be magnetically attached to a person's clothing. Wow, see? Humane said users can interact with it in a variety of ways, including a laser display that projects onto your palm. Yeah, it's crazy, man. It says price tag $700 pretty much. It says the AI pen promises to blend artificial intelligence seamlessly into everyday life without the anchor of a screen. This lapel-worn tech aspires to redefine our interactions with technology, stepping beyond the smartphone era. Its designers have said they believe smartphones are on the last leg, and this will soon become the norm of what computing will look like. Hey, you see Esau Edom with his devices, man. He's got all types of devices, all types of spells and witchcrafts, man. This is 2 Corinthians chapter 2 and 11. It says, lest Satan should get advantage of us, for we are not ignorant of his devices. Now, there's nothing wrong with, the device, the technology, but we know where it's going. It's one of the many devices which they're going to promote to you, pretty much. Feed you being idle with things offered onto idols, you see? One of those things right there. Okay, through the celebrities, different people that are going to get these devices implanted inside of them. I'm not saying that particular devices, but it's going to start off like that. This new technology. Okay. This is Proverbs 19 and 21, and it says there are many devices in a man's heart. Nevertheless, the counsel of the Lord, that shall stand. And that's the truth. It don't matter how much you upgrade your iPhone, your iPad, people going out here shopping for all these holidays. It don't matter. The counsel of the Lord is that's going to stand, I just typed in devices, see how many times it pulled up. I was looking for a particular verse, but these are pretty good. Isaiah 32 and 7, it says, the instruments also of the churl are evil. He deviseth wicked devices to destroy the poor with lying words, even when the needy speaketh right. Yeah, and who knows about that device, man? They say that it's not tracking your data. Well, as you can tell, they already been doing the data stuff for a long time, man. Okay, you're not private anymore, no matter how many times you. And that's another thing, that's how we know that they know something about the damn human trafficking. A bunch of these kids going missing, man. There's no way with this technology that they have, right? But that's another lesson. But yeah, man. I think I was looking at for one in Isaiah, or not Isaiah, but let me see. I think it was in Idris. Salakia. Yeah, that's the one. It says, and this is not a good one to put down. I was thinking about that one. But yeah, pretty much, man, these devices that are coming in to play, man, they completely tell you who this devil is, man. Revelations chapter 13, and it's let's go straight to it, man. This is Revelation chapter 13 and 14. It says, "And deceiveth them that dwell upon the earth by means of those miracles," okay, "which he had power to do in the sight of the beast." Okay, miracles. Let's go into this word. By means of those miracles. See, that's what these devices are. They're going to be able to track you, be able to track your heart rate. You know, it's going to come in handy for people who are like on being monitored. Okay. I don't know why I went past it. I didn't see it. Let me see. On earth by... Yeah, it's not saying it. It's showing it over here, but it's not saying what it is. This is the word here. It says Simeon.
Strong's G 4592. Semayan.
Simeon. It says a sign, mark, token. Yeah. It's a token. That by which a person or a thing is distinguished from others and is known. The miracles, man. Okay. Oh, I can. So basically, Esau, Edom, they can make people walk again. They can make you through their technology. They can put your old dead grandma in some kind of AI to have her voice there with you still. They can do all types of stuff, man. Create lab-grown meats. These are all like miracles, man. You know, they can make somebody not. They can make somebody who was blind. They can make them see again. By these chips, by this technology. Okay, these devices. It says a sign, prodigy, portent, unusual occurrence, transcending the common course of nature. Yeah. And somebody, you know, was once blind and all of a sudden they can see again. That's transcending the, you know, that's what our Lord was doing. But through Esau Edom, through his technology, he can make people walk again. He can make people see again. He can make people do things. You know, he can clone sheeps and shit, like Dolly the sheep. He can clone things. You know, those are miracles, man. Of signs portending remarkable events soon to happen. Of miracles and wonders by which God authenticates the men sent by him, or by which men prove to that the cause they are pleading is God's, is Yahweh B'Shem Yahushai's. A wonder, miracle, sign, a token. Yeah. especially ceremonially or supernaturally. Okay? So Esau Edom, through his miracles, it says Revelations 13 and 14, and it says, and deceiveth them that dwell on the earth by the means of those miracles which he had power to do in the sight of the beast, saying to them that dwell on the earth that they should make an image to the beast, which had the wound by the sword and did live, talking about the Roman Empire. America is Rome 2.0. And he had power to give life unto the image of the beast. Okay, that's why, going back to Revelations 11, it calls this place spiritually Sodom and Egypt. You know, giving life to wickedness and death is ultimately crucifying our Lord, Yahweh Shem Yahushai. And that's what America does, gives life to wickedness, satanic clubs, homosexuality, maps. They want to legalize pedophilia, drag shows for after-school programs, drag shows in the Christian church. It's crucifying our Lord. This is a wicked, dark, evil, wicked place. And the Lord's going to destroy this place, man. And he had power to give life unto the image of the beast. That's about participating in his, his commandments, which is basically to do as thou wilt. Aleister Crowley type shit. Do as thou wilt. Or you can be two men and have a little baby. You can adopt a baby. Baby confused. This is a dark place, man. It says, and he had power to give life unto the image of the beast. Christmas. Mainly these, all these different philosophies, religions and shit. Holy days. They're not holy. Holidays. Even through his technology, his social media, all that shit. That's a part of his image. It's a spell over everybody, man. That the image of the beast should both speak and cause that as many would not worship the image of the beast should be killed. And the image of the beast is the New World Order, man. That's his New World Order. All those things is a part of his New World Order. And that's why they got a such thing called hate speech. They call people conspiracy theorists. There's an information war going on. Because they don't want you to tell about the things that they've been doing. The wicked elites. So they'll get you out of there. Zip. Bye-bye. You're gone. They love their wickedness. They like doing their wickedness. And when somebody comes in between that, then there's a problem. So eventually, these devices, they're going to be inside of you. It says, verse 16, and he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads. That's what those things are going to lead to. All these different devices that they have, it's ultimately going to be inside of your body. Because they're going to use excuses like, well, people can lose this thing that's on their person. It's going to get smaller and smaller. They're going to have to put it on you. And somebody can knock that off of you and smash it on the ground. They're going to have to put it inside of you. And he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark. That word charagma, right? in their right hand or in their foreheads. You're going to have to. Everything's leading to it. Why do you think Biden signing the CHIPS Act? Why do you think Biden and everybody, they're protecting Taiwan so hard? Because Taiwan got the chips. That no man might buy or sell, save he that had the mark, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name. That's why there's a squeeze on you, people. Anyway, with that, Shalom.